Auto trading software, which is best for NSE/MCX. Auto trading software can be an amazing tool to help traders make more successful trades. However, it is important to choose the right software for your needs. In order to help you make the best decision, this video will compare two of the most popular auto trading software programs for NSE/MCX. 1. What is auto trading software? Auto trading software is a type of computer software that allows traders to automatically trade the markets. The software is linked to a broker's account and it will automatically place trades on the trader's behalf. Two. How does it work? 3. Which is the best auto trading software for NSE/MCX? There are a lot of different auto trading software programs on the market that traders can use to make trades for them automatically. However, not all of these programs are created equal, and not all will work well for every trader. It is important for traders to do their research before choosing an auto trading software program, and to understand the features and capabilities of each program before making a decision. One of the best auto trading software programs on the market is the Scalper Robot. This program is easy to use and has a wide range of features that traders will appreciate. The Scalper Robot is compatible with a variety of brokers, and it offers a wide range of settings that traders can customize to match their individual trading styles. The program also has a high success rate, making it a popular choice for traders who want to automate their trading. 4. Pros and cons of auto trading software. There are pros and cons to using auto trading software. On the one hand, auto trading software can help traders make more efficient and profitable trades. On the other hand, auto trading software can also lead to losses if it is not used correctly. It is important to carefully consider the pros and cons of using auto trading software before deciding whether or not to use it. 5. How to choose the best auto trading software. There are a lot of different auto trading software programs on the market these days. Trying to figure out which one is the best can be overwhelming. Here are a few tips to help you choose the right one for you. First, decide what you are looking for in an auto trading software program. Do you want something that is simple and easy to use? Or do you want something that has more features and options? Second, do your research. Read reviews and compare different programs. Third, demo the program before you buy it. Most programs have a free trial or a money-back guarantee. Finally, trust your gut. If something feels off or if you are not sure about a program, don't buy it. There are plenty of other options out there. After comparing the two programs, it is clear that both have their pros and cons. Ultimately, the best program for you will depend on your individual needs and trading style. Hopefully, this article has helped you make a more informed decision about which auto trading software is best for you. Join up free today, get great free tools.